Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am sorry for the disappearance. My shop needed a total overhaul. So now that I've got all of that organized, let's get to our next project. I am going to be building one of those simple hanging planter stands, and let's get to it. To begin this project, I cut down some 2x4s to these lengths and also some 2x10s, and you can see the measurements here. Once you have this done, you are gonna fly through this project. Okay, so if you are wanting to make even repeatable cuts at an angle such as this, then the easiest way is to set up a stop block on your chop saw. And I'll show you how I go ahead and do that right now. So I decided to do this cut at 45 degrees. So I'm going to line my board up to about where I want to have that angle cut off. I'm going to take a scrap piece and I am going to go ahead and get it in place so that it doesn't move on me. Just like so, and make my cut. All right, and you can see that it cut a little piece of that board. Now, I can take the piece of wood that I'm going to be using, I line it up to right there, make my cut. Take that piece, I can flip it right around, flip that piece right around, make another cut. Now I've got two perfectly even 45-degree angles on my piece of wood. All right, now that I have those cut, I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out the way that I want them to be and start marking where I need to countersink my screws. All right, from here on out, everything is pretty self-explanatory, so go ahead and watch the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment or reach out to me, and I hope you enjoy the video. I realized this planter is not black. I actually sold that one, and this one was another one that I made, but you get the idea. I went ahead and added a vinyl welcome decal to it to make it a little more welcoming and fancy. I really enjoyed this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you are so inclined, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.